Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, namaste, and good evening. It is me, Dewi Lestari. I am an English teacher of one of public school in Kalimantan Barat, and I made this video to fulfill the first assignment of the workshop that I had joined, which organized by TIE UPS International and guided by Mr. Rafi. Hello, Mr. Rafi. Well, in this video, I would summarize the 3 days webinar session and also how do I implement the learning in my teaching. Well, after joining the live session for 3 days in webinar under the title How to Communicate and Teach for Effective Online Learning, I by now can understand that there is a rule or formula in communicating apparently, because in the beginning I never know that there is a rule for communication, okay, and it's a fortune to me. And okay, the rule is Albert Mehrabian's rule, or we can say the Mehrabian's formula. Nah, Mehrabian's formula divides the two types of communication. The first one is oral communication, and then the second one is communication in the classroom. You know, oral communication is the communication that we used to talk or to communicate with other people in our daily life, just like that. And then the second one, the communication in the classroom. From the name, we already know that it is in the classroom. Okay, actually, these two types of communication has 3 aspects. In each aspect, they are the Mehrabian's rule divide for different part of aspects. In oral communication, there is only 7% of words, and then 38% tone of voice, and then the biggest part is in the body language. It is 55%. Okay, and yeah, you know why the biggest part of the body language? Because according to it, body language doesn't lie. That's why we need to pay attention on the body language itself, and it is different from the communication in the classroom. Communication in the classroom, the formula divided into 8% of word, and then 13%, only 13% of body language, and then the biggest part, the main part is the tone of voice. It has 79%. Yes, we need to pay attention or focus on our voice in the classroom, because here we are teaching our students, and also we need to make sure that they can hear us clearly in speaking, like that. Okay, so about the communication itself, again, I just found out that there are 4 communication skills in the teaching apparently. Yes, so there are 4. The first one is aggressive style, and then passive style, and then passive aggressive style, and then the last one is assertive style. Okay, in that presentation, Professor Nitin also gave us the questionnaire to measure in what style we as the teacher are. And fortunately, I have the assertive style, and that's a good thing to know. But of course, I need to keep up my communication skill though. And I would do the thing in the Mehrabian's formula as my guidance to make a great communication in the classroom, as well as the oral communication. Plus, I am an assertive style, I think it will help me a lot to use more positive language to my students. Well, positive language here means not using the word don't. So as we can, we avoid to use the word don't in our teaching. Okay, well, I think that's all I can share to you, and that's for the video in assignment 1. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.